Today it's time for a fast and easy and kind of impressive holiday craft. We're going to use the microwave, which makes it faster, and we're going to use things you can find around the house, with the exception of wax. So it's that time of year that every grocery store you go into has these cute mini pumpkins. These are actually pretty large. I've seen even smaller ones. And you know what they're really good for? Table decorations. But you know what makes them even better? Turning them into candles. And it's very easy. I made it even easier because I bought soy wax nuggets, very, very small, very fine. And that means you can cook them in the microwave in a microwave safe bowl. That's gonna make this super easy, super quick. And because it is the holidays and we all love being around friends and family, but sometimes it gets a little bit stressful, we're gonna add some lavender essential oil into these candles to really help set the mood when it's the holiday and they're burning. We're gonna have a list of everything you need down below for a handy dandy reference. The prep work involves, of course, a sharp knife because you are going to want to top and then, if they're wobbly like this guy, bottom so that they sit nice and flat, or relatively flat, as flat as you can get them. But you do not want to cut in to the hollow space in the middle. That's just about right. Yep, that's good. Next, you just need a small knife and a melon baller, tip of the day. With the melon baller, wrap a rubber band around that thing so it's not slipping around in your hands as you're messing with the slimy innards. We're gonna do a little X marks the spot. And scoop it on out. You want to make sure all the slimy parts are out. So just you're getting a little bit into that flesh, but not so much that you puncture the side and the wax comes out. Okay, as you can see, they're ready. Our next step is to get the wicks set. Now you can buy waxed cotton string and weight it and make your own wick, but I just bought the ready to purchase because this is a quick holiday craft. So you measure how far down it's going to need to go to set completely in the center. Okay? And then you want to leave yourself a little bit of room because you're going to be wrapping this around a pencil. You're going to drop it in and then twist it down until you can see that it will set nicely in there for you. This is a soy wax blend of chips from a craft store, and we're going to measure 2 cups worth, roughly, into our plastic microwave safe container. You're going to put it in your microwave on high for 5 minutes. Okay, let's check it. It's hot, so you're going to want to use pot holders. Looks good. As you can see, it's clear, no lumps, and you want to stir it for 2 minutes because it has to cool a little bit before you put it into your container. Now's the time to add that essential oil. I have my soothing lavender for company, and you want to add about an ounce. So I'm going to add about 13, 14 drops. All right, it's been 2 minutes. We're ready to pour it in. You want to pour nice and slowly so it doesn't spatter, but just in case, go ahead and put it over some newspaper. You want to leave about 1/4 to 1/2 inch from the lip of your container because as you burn the candle and that wax melts, you want it to have somewhere to go. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and cool way to add a nice touch to your holiday decorations. And it's a fun craft for everybody to do. You can dress them up like I did here with literally anything you have around the house already, or head out into the great outdoors, get some acorns or some pine cones. Now, if there's any other new tricks you'd like to learn from this old broad, then just drop it in the comments section below or shoot me an email at oldbroadnewtricks.com. Please subscribe, tell everybody you know about it, because an old broad can learn new tricks. Everybody can.